Hey, I put makeup on my whole face. I might as well show it at least once, right? This is a 360-degree video, so that means that you can move your phone around, or if you're on a desktop or a laptop, you can use a mouse to move this video around and see other things rather than just me. Happy trick or treat.
He's overcome.
Hope I didn't mess up my makeup already with my face covering. That's why I'm doing this ride first. Hopefully the file won't corrupt and I won't be able to play it.
Yeah, I'm not right.
Huh. Funny, if you put Legos indoors, they last longer. Oh, just let it go. Ew, it's dragon snot. I wish there was something to rest my hand on to keep it more steady. It's Merlin! What do they know? Oh, well, it's not like yelling during a show. That's not the same thing. Also, but really, maybe shouldn't have. Looks like there was a door here. Yeah, you see where there are hinges. And at one point they're like that. What's the matter, chicken?
The top is going to be like a slide. How you go down the slide?
Because they're chicken.
On the slide?
They're actually chickens.
It's going to be like going up and down the big slide at Disney Park.
I can see. Have a pic for me.
Hey, if you scream and go down.
Certainly can't see my house. I'd have to get really high up to see that. Woo!